Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Audi Q5 headlights. First, park your vehicle on a flat surface, approximately 25 feet from a wall. Make sure your tire pressure is accurate and your fuel tank is at least 1/2 full. This ensures a consistent vehicle stance. Next, open your hood and locate the adjustment screws on top of each headlight assembly. These are crucial for precise aiming. Now, let's tackle the vertical adjustment. Find the screw typically marked with an up and down arrow. Turning this screw clockwise will raise the headlight beam, while turning it counterclockwise will lower it. The goal is to have the top edge of your low beam's cutoff line up with the center of your headlight's height on the wall. This prevents blinding oncoming drivers. Next, we'll adjust the horizontal aim. Look for the screw with left and right arrows. Turning this screw will shift the beam horizontally. You want the brightest part, or hot spot, of your low beam to be slightly to the right of your vehicle's center line on the wall. This helps illuminate the road shoulder and avoids dazzling drivers in the opposite lane. After adjusting both headlights, take a moment to double-check their alignment. Ensure they are symmetrical and provide clear, even illumination. Then, take your Audi Q5 for a short drive to confirm the adjustments feel right, and you have optimal visibility without dazzling other road users. Always refer to your owner's manual for any specific model year recommendations or unique adjustment procedures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.